He got a camera from his photo-loving father for his 12th birthday present. And he took the first family portrait of his family for the first time in his life. After growing up, he was admitted to the University of Photography. As he graduated from university, he received his graduation project. If you could only take another photo in this life, what would you take? After thinking about it, his family emerged in his mind. His idea was to reproduce the scene of childhood. So he took a photo of the three heroes, and the son who were violently injured, and the nursing mother was responsible for bandaging. With this photo, he won the school's highest-level photography award. Since then, he has become deeply involved in taking family portraits. Many people who like his photography style come over and invite him to take a family portrait for themselves. Before shooting, he first communicate with clients, understand his subjects, understand clients' preferences, and tailor a family portrait for them. The daughter of the Plateau family loves cherry blossoms, so he waited until the cherry blossom season, shaking the cherry trees before shooting, and grabbing the family's most surprised expression when the petals fell. For every family portrait he shoots, he personally understands the customer's requirements and the story behind their family portrait. There's a family portrait that impressed me the most, which he took for a family of 4. The parents have 2 children. One of the boys is about to die due to illness. He asked the parents and the child to draw a rainbow linked together with colored pencils on white clothes. Finally, they lay on the mat and had a quiet lunch break. The boy finally fell asleep during his lunch break forever. When he filmed this family portrait, tears were shed in his eyes. This story is about Masashi Asada, a Japanese photographer, and became widely known around the world as a biographical drama film titled The Asadas, released in 2020. When the 2011 Tōhoku earthquake happens, he volunteered to help cleaning and sorting out photographs from the family's victims. The family relationship that spans life and death, love and hatred, is actually stronger than we thought. The feelings that are always intertwined with our parents, brothers and sisters, are memories that we will never be able to erase in this lifetime. We must not forget that there is nothing more precious than family in the world.